Good morning, everyone. Let us welcome once again to mathematics class. In the last class, we were discussing about simplification of an expression. So the expression means which is numbers, and those numbers are connected by mathematical operations. So how to simplify those such type of expressions? Which were discussed in the last class. So those expressions can be simplified only by following strictly in these order. Simplification should be done by using the operations only in these orders. Bodemas. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Bodemas means we should use these operations in the given order only, which is already told you in the last class. So we discussed two examples, also two expressions we solved. So this is the next expression, that is 6 is to 1 by 5 divided by 3 is to 1 by 10 of 2 is to 1 by 2 divided by 4. So let us convert mixed fraction to improper fraction first before going to the Bodemas. Before going to the Bodemas, let us convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction first. Okay. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 5 divided by 3 10 is 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 10 of 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 divided by 4. See children, in the first step nothing is done, only mixed fractions are converted to improper fractions, and remaining operations are kept as it is. Now we should follow this order. Says first bracket we should simplify, but there is no bracket here. There are no brackets. So let us go to the next operation, off. Whether off is there here? Yes, it is. So first, which simplification children we should do? Of these two fraction simplification. So let us start with this simplification, that is remaining numbers and operations will signs and all kept as we will keep it as it is. 31 by 5 divided by 31 by 10. As I said in the previous class, of means we should write multiplication sign. Of means multiply. That is the first operation which we should do in Bodemas. Next number is 5 by 2 divided by 4. What is done children this step? Just we used according to the order first operation, that is off. That's all. Now where you are finding multiplication sign, there you can cancel the number, multiply and write it. That is the first step. So this off we should do first, off. Directly don't go to the division. This multiplication sign you got from the word off. That's why this we should do first. That is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. That's all. No further cancellation is possible. That is 31 by 5 divided by 31 into 1, 31. So 2 2s are 4. Again divided by 4. 4 can be written as 4 divided by 1. One another same. Now two division signs are there. Two division signs. Division you know very well how to divide. First fraction as it is. When we change the sign, we should write reciprocal of the second number. 31 by 4 will be 4 by 31. Again division sign is there. Change to multiplication. If you change, next number 4 by 1 becomes reciprocal of 4 by 1 will be 1 by 4. So 2 times we wrote reciprocal because 2 division signs are there. See, all 3 are, we have to find the product of all 3 fractions because multiplication sign is here, multiplication sign. So 31 will get cancelled. 4 and 4 will get cancelled, isn't it? 31 ones are 31 ones are 4 ones are, so 4 ones are. So numbers left in the numerator are 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1. Only 1 is there in the numerator. Denominator 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 is the answer, simplified answer for this expression. So let us move towards the 5th question. 5th question looks a little big. You don't worry about how much big the expression may be. Expressions may be very big, small, but we should stick towards our basic operations. Our fundamentals should be very perfect. We should be perfect in the fundamentals. Then how much big it may be, we will not be wrong. There is not possibility of doing wrong anywhere. Right? Okay, let us begin with bracket. No brackets are here. So let us start with the word of. Of is here. So before using the BODMAS, as I said here only, convert improper fractions. So convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. So convert 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Minus 3 by 11. Of 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Divided by 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Into 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Plus 1 by 3. This mixed fraction converted to improper. This mixed fraction converted to improper. This and this both mixed fractions converted to improper fractions. Nothing is done other than this. Now we should start with the of. It is here. So that simplification we should do first. So what? 11 by 3 kept as it is. Minus 3 by 11. As I said, children, of means multiplication. 11 by 4. So divided by 5 by 4 into 5 by 3. All the numbers which are there in the previous steps should be copied as it is. Don't change anything. Only each step will simplify only one operation. No hurry. Each step, one operation will simplify. Okay. 11 get cancelled here. So 11 divided by 3. Minus 3 1s are 3. 1 4s are 4. So divided by 5 into 4. Sorry, 5 divided by 4 into 5 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. So after of is simplified. This was the of. Next is what? Division. Look at here, children. Where is division? This is division. So let us simplify this division part. 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4. First fraction keeping as it is. Change the sign. Write the reciprocal. This is the division, no? First, right? Keep it as it is. Reciprocal and inverse. 5 by 4 will be 4 by 5. Into 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So now cancel these 3 or multiplication, children. All 3 we can multiply. Cancel 4 1s are 4 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are. Look at here, children. 5 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. All the numbers are cancelled. But you should not write 0. You should write there 11 by 3 minus 1. Simplification of all these will be 1. That is minus 1. Look at here, children. These two are like fractions. 11 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will be 12 by 3, 11 plus 1, 12 by 3. Like fractions, we can add same denominator. 12 by 3 minus 1, 1 can written as 1. So we can take LCM of 3 by 3 and 1 as 3. 3 ones are 1 3s are 12 ones are 12 minus 1 3s are 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So you will get 3 as answer. It is simple, no? Very simple steps are there. That's why I have done it bit fast here. So 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, all the numbers will get cancelled. So you will get 1. So minus 1. This complete is 1.